Hello, my blessed people. How are you doing? Thank you so much for joining me. This is proof of life that I'm still there. It's only that I've been a bit inactive on YouTube, but I'll be back. I'll be back with fire. But okay, over the weekend I got myself cooking chapati, something which I've not done for a very long time ago. So many years ago, I don't remember. Like ever since I started staying on my own, I've never cooked chapati. I don't remember the last time I cooked chapati because I think I'm not a fan of chapatis or something, but still also because even my surrounding, I've not been, cooking chapati. So this is how it went down. So I've tried to put some subtitles there, so for somebody to to get to see how it goes. So I just used 2 cups. I used 3 cups of flour, and then you add water, and you're using warm water, and then you knead the dough, and then you leave it to rest for some time, and then after, like me, I left it for like 6 hours, and then after there I just rolled the big dough, and then I cut it into small strips, and then now like seven or 6 strips. And then now you roll those strips and make other small balls. You put your pan in the fire, or whatever cooking pot you're using for making chapatis. Put your chapati there. Don't put oil first on the chapati because that will make your chapati not to cook as it should. So you don't put oil, you just turn it until you see that the chapati is cooking. And then when you start you see it's starting to burn, you put a bit oil on it, and you turn, you kind of play around with it there, the pan, to make the oil spread all over. You turn until you make sure the chapati has cooked completely. This is me doing something I've not done for so many years. Oh my goodness, so many years. And me, I'm those people. The last time I think I made chapati, it was not like at home even. Okay, I have a wrong story, but where I've made chapati was when I had gone home. That time you go to those celebrations, Christmas holiday or something somewhere, and then you're cooking with cousins and all that. That's where I made chapatis, and it's so many years ago. So I've never done this. Like in my house, this is the first time I'm buying flour in my house to cook chapati. This is so weird. But yes, so there's another day I was speaking to a friend of mine, and I told that friend I'm cooking beans with coconut sauce, and then the friend told me, "Wow, that's nice, especially if it goes it goes very well with chapatis." And I realized that if somebody is to visit my house and they see beans and think that the next thing they see is chapati, they'll be so disappointed. That's what inspired me to buy the chapati. I bought the brown flour, and so I decided, why not cook this chapati? So in case one day I have a visitor and the visitor wants to eat chapatis, at least I'll have experience. So this is my first trial ever cooking chapati in my house. This is the first thing. And part of the reasons why I'm on YouTube is to document my life, and I felt it's good, like I put this here because it's always be a reminder for me, to see my growth. To see my growth, and also for somebody else maybe who has no clue how to go about cooking chapatis. Maybe you can see how I did it. Somebody who, I'm not a chef, and I don't cage myself into expectations of people. You are over 30 years old, you should know how to cook chapatis, blah blah blah. You are 30 years old, you should have been married with 2 kids. Bro, I don't even have a boyfriend, let alone having a kid. I should first get a husband, before I get a kid. But the fact that I'm 30 years, there are people who are not, who were born the same year, who are dead, so why should I compare myself with other people? So I don't cage myself into that narrative of trying to fit in the society, what society, dreams or things I should be. I do things my way, my own way. And me making these chapatis, I was so happy and I was so proud of myself, because these are the results I got at. These chapatis were amazing. They were soft. They were amazing, and you should try it also. It isn't hard. You know, it isn't hard, So I know the next time you come visiting my house, at least I can cook for you chapati, because I practice, by the way. This is the first, so I'll have many other trials, and I know I'll make it, I'll become better and better, because practice makes perfect. So these are my chapatis, and I ate them with some I ate with tea, some I ate with beans. Sorry, I was so hungry, so I didn't film that part. Yeah, but there were leftover beans, and some I carried to work, and they I ate them as breakfast and lunch at work, and they served me so well, because a big one chapati you eat and you're full. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching.